right now on Ghost Story TV. What is a ghost? What's its nature? Is it some faded reflection of a life lived? Trapped between this world and the next, hanging on to some unfulfilled dream. A promise broken, a word unspoken. Obliged now to remain in the anteroom through which so many others have passed. Or are they living as we are, in their own reality, invisible to all but those who have the purpose to really look? And are they looking for us? Or are they phantoms, fables, some campfire fancy that haunt nothing more than the shadowy corners of our imagination? A bit of undigested beef, a bump in the night. Welcome to Ghost Story Investigations.